Are you one of the gifted individuals to type in words or characters rapidly on your console? Would you like to put the ability up to utilize also bring in cash simultaneously while at home? Well, in this video, I need to impart to you a portion of the sites that can pay you only for composing words, and later in the video, I will show you the specific strides to take to begin as right on time as could be expected. Stay tuned toward the finish of the video. Hello there, welcome to MakeCash YT, where we interface you to anything and how you can procure quickly. Presently, not long before we begin, crush that thumbs up button. In the event that you like this sort of content, likewise if you haven't as of now, prefer this channel and turn on the notice ringer for you to be informed each time a new video is transferred with everything far removed. We should go squarely into the video so I can show you everything to give you a feeling of what I'm talking about. I'll show you 3 distinctive totally free stages where you might bring in cash essentially by composing basic words and letters. How about we start with manualhumantesttypers.com once more. That is manualhumantesttypers.com, where you will be paid for each word composed, and how it functions is that you will be finishing manual human tests. I'm certain you've seen them on other sites now, so the picture shows some irregular numbers and letters. What not you need to do now is rework them in a case. It is generally comprises of 5 or then again 6 various characters, and that's it in a nutshell. There is to it, and afterward you will get compensated for just doing that. As should be obvious, you can bring in cash from the comfort of your own home. Everybody benefits from straightforward information passage. You should simply tap the register button here to make a record, so the enlistment cycle is free as it is the work that is presently being provided also. Yes, you can achieve all of this with simply your telephone. So all you need to do now is key in your genuine email address, make a username, make a secret phrase, or retype your secret word also. Push present. That is everything to it. That is the way you can enlist for CapTchaTypers.com. If at any point you can't help thinking about what the base withdrawal sum is for your drawable, the appropriate response is only $1, so all you need is $1 to pull out your textual styles and spend it on whatever you want. The second site you can get to will be to CAPTCHA.com. By that is to CAPTCHA.com, and this one will pay you far more cash. This one will pay you up to $50 for 1,000 words type, which may not appear like much right away yet. Can amount to large chunk of change without you in any event acknowledging it. Probably the best thing about 2capture.com is that it offers quick installments, so you will not need to stand by long. It's very easy to get everything rolling. Furthermore, you can get compensated immediately, which I love, so you don't need to stand by weeks or months to get compensated. Rather, you might cash out quickly and spend the cash on whatever you wish. Before we go any further, in case you're partaking in the video up until this point, try to offer it a major go ahead, and on the off chance that you track down this instructional exercise supportive, kindly leave a remark down beneath for me to survey. Currently, how about we return to function? Presently for 1,000 cop just composed, and you'll procure $3, and in case you're considering what everything's about, they'll show you a picture like this with these characters on it. Like this one where it says manual human test, and all you gotta do is type in the container on the right side. You essentially type the words utilizing standard letters, and that is it. That is the thing that will make you cash at this moment. You will bring in cash for each expression you enter in and each manual human test you complete. To get everything rolling with this site, just discover this part address manual human test, and afterward click fast beginning. Presently equivalent to prior, you should enter your email address, make a secret phrase, retype your secret phrase. What's more, finish the first manual human test given, so they need to check whether you're able to doing this, and it's an essential check. It will articulate irregular words like this as well. Presently you should simply enter both of these irregular words. What's more, it's as simple as that. That is 2 words, and the present moment I'd be paid twice only for finishing 2 unique manual human tests with 2captcha.com. Each word you input brings in you cash. Last however not the least, megatypers.com. Megatypers is another site where you may acquire cash by composing characters. This one will give you the most cash out of the 3 we examined today, since it will pay you more than $200 each month for composing straightforward individual words. As you can see, you may be settled up to $150 for each 1,000 words composed, and their top typers can acquire anything from $100 to $250 every month. When you get everything rolling, you will not be capable to accept that you're acquiring a critical measure of cash just by contributing words. Furthermore, there are many positions which you can finish with megatypers.com. In any case, my number one is the place where you in reality complete those manual human tests. Furthermore, you simply type in single word and you get compensated in light of the fact that it's the most basic one, and you try not to need to compose any long and exhausting scripts. You needn't bother with any past experience for this, and you needn't bother with any unique abilities. You simply need to type in the words that are displayed on the screen. Furthermore, you will get compensated for doing as such. You would then be able to cash your cash either with PayPal, Amazing Cash, Paisa, Western Association, through charge cards, bank checks. Thus on, there are various ways you can cash out. What's more, there are bunches of various ways you can go through your cash online with this site. By this one is called megatypers.com. Also, it will take you up to 200 to 250 each and every month. You will have a hard time believing it, yet that is all it takes to simplify cash online. Don't neglect to give this video a major thumbs up. Presently, go on and look at my different videos.